Hey everyone, it's Brennan the Paleo Dude here with another Jurassic unboxing. Today we'll be taking a look at the new Jurassic World Primal Attack Control. This one's Control and Conquer, one of the fan favorites of this lineup. It's so large and bulky, and it's definitely got a new mold with the head and other parts of its body. If you compare it to the original Carnotaurus, it's got quite the height advantage and a very large size and stance to it. So let's take a look at the box to start off. It's got that sunset color in the back, the trees and hills of Isla Nublar, and some fence pieces as well. Or not fence pieces, but fencing in the back. The gimmick with this new line is you can control them by the tail, and with this figure you can actually control the mouth and it makes noise. Unlike these two guys down here, which you can control their mouths, but they do not make noise. These guys were not released in Canada, as I know, and this guy I've been only able to find at Walmart. The back of the packaging has that hologram or screen-like feel to it, and a very unsettling thing I found about this figure is the eyes face on. They're pretty creepy. Anyways, okay, so in the packaging you can move it up or down, which is a pretty cool feature. This was also included in that Indominus Rex figure back in 2019 with the dinorivals, and I believe it got a repackage in this lineup as well, though I haven't seen it around. The arms on this figure are the same color as its lower body, its stomach. It's got a gray-like texture, and the arms are pretty squishy and rubbery. You can move them around, unlike the original figure where they're a solid plastic and kind of white. Now, I believe it comes with 3 sound effects like most Jurassic World figures. 1, 2... and you can rotate its head side to side and make it pick up small dinosaurs and human figures. So let's get this guy out of the package. I believe it will have little pegs holding in the feet, because I know just these 2 or 3 things won't hold it in alone. Yep. So we'll need to open up the package. Again, like I said in my other video, I am trying to just do it all in one take because editing is kind of lazy. Don't want to spend time doing that. I just want to upload content. So inside these guys, its feet has the more circular holders. I don't know if we can take a look in there. They're the larger ones with 4 things that stick out the sides, so you kind of need to rotate them with your fingers. I tend to keep the boxes, so you can actually just rip this off. You just stick your finger in there and pull it. But I'm just going to stick my hand in here and keep rotating until it comes off. Let's see if I can get the other one. I don't know if my hand will actually fit back there. It's kind of a tight interior. Let's see if I can do it without wrecking the box. Nope, okay. I'm just gonna give up and do that. So yeah, see, the flap opens up to make it easy to access these pegs. And see, that's the more rounder peg holding in the foot. This one's harder to get to because of the lip. There we go. It takes a few turns to unlock the feet. I think a couple spins. Come on. That's odd. Maybe I have to turn it to a certain position. Perhaps I'm turning it the wrong way. I might just edit this part out, actually. We'll have to see. That's odd. Maybe the foot has to be straight or something. Oh, bingo! Got it out, finally. Whew, that felt like forever. Yikes. Okay guys, so let's take a look. It stands fairly well. This is the kind of horizontal angle it stands at. And you can rear it up. Ooh, I'm not sure if that sound effect... No, it doesn't make sound when you rear it up. The jaw's pretty triangular, pretty small, but you can grab human figures, so let's just get Owen and test out this feature. It's pretty tall compared to Owen. Let's see if I might want to turn it a little bit. And then you can shake human figures around. So this figure's got a lot of playability to it. It has jaw activation, head motion, and it's large. This one was a decent price. I think it was $35 for this figure, and you get a lot for that here in Canada. Again, compared to its smaller counterpart, it's got a smaller. This one's got a smaller head, and the new Carnotaurus is a lot taller at the hips. I think the tails are actually the same. Yeah, they're the same. Though, I think it's a lot wider, the tail. Yeah, just to accommodate that button. It's got a nice color scheme to it as well, with the orange and browns. Very natural look. And let's grab that scan code on the bottom of the foot. For you scan code collectors out there. If I can stop shaking it. There we go. Yeah. So overall, this figure is pretty amazing. I love the texture on the back, really reminiscent of the movie. And I know these guys will play a role in the new Camp Cretaceous film, though there's a color variant coming out, the Toro one, which is a lot darker and it has that scar running along the nose. So this was a cool addition, and I really enjoy this figure's size and playability. So that concludes my video, and I hope you guys enjoyed. Leave a like and comment, and make sure to subscribe if you want to see more Jurassic World unboxings and reviews. And I hope to see you in the next video. Bye-bye.